Hey guys, Devmitra one more time. A very warm welcome and a very good afternoon to all of you. Right now, I'm going to talk about is Salesforce a good career in India? What do you think, guys? Because of the on-demand Salesforce salary in India is one of the highest. The Salesforce service market is projected to grow to $13 billion by 2022 and is predicted to be expanded at the rate of 14%. Salesforce design cloud-based software which is useful for businesses to grow. Okay. So guys, I think you got that idea about the Salesforce career in future in India. So don't waste time. Take the right decision. Be a part of PCS Global and take the training from PCS Global and make ourselves proud and be a proper professional person. So kindly, one more thing, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon.